Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal and if it's possible to do so. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Open your Sweatcoin app. From the home screen, tap the person icon at the bottom of the toolbar. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left of the page. On your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, tap Help. Under Other Common Queries, look for the question, can I cash out my Sweatcoins to PayPal or my bank account? When you tap on that query, you will see a message saying that at the moment, it's not possible to cash out your Sweatcoins directly to PayPal or bank transfer. Sweatcoin's long-term vision is to make it a fully fledged currency, and they hope to list it on exchanges. But for now, you can spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with their brand partners. Occasionally, PayPal and Amazon vouchers are available in the marketplace which you can exchange your Sweatcoins for. So to answer the question, can you withdraw Sweatcoins to PayPal? At the time of recording, no, you cannot directly withdraw your Sweatcoins to PayPal. However, you can keep an eye on the marketplace for PayPal vouchers. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.